Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix PrizePicks Withdrawal failed error. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and navigate to prizepicks.com. This will take you to the official PrizePicks website. To address any withdrawal problems, seek assistance from the PrizePicks customer support team. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and look for the Help Center option. Click on Live Support. You'll land on the Help Center page, which displays various tabs. Select the tab labeled Live Support and click on the Chat Now option. You'll see a prompt to send a message. Start chatting with the PrizePicks customer support team by informing them that you're experiencing difficulties withdrawing your funds. They will guide you through the process and help resolve your issue. So that's basically how you can fix PrizePicks Withdrawal failed error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.